Hello friends, it's Kevin from Our Restoration Nation, and today we are going to review the Dreo ceiling fan. As I'm sure you know, we love our porches down here in the South. The weather is usually nice enough to be out, sipping a little iced tea, but it really helps with the heat and humidity, and also helps keep those insects away if you've got a nice ceiling fan. We're so excited to install these Dreo ceiling fans down on the cottage porch. Now, doing a little unboxing here, I've got my user manual, my smart guide, and here is one that's already taken out of the box. And one thing I did want to show you, which I think is really cool, is that these fan blades are white on one side. So if you wanted to go with white, which a lot of people do, there's your fan blade side, or they're reversible. This side is light wood color, and it's also going to look beautiful. Now these fans are really easy to install, and I'm going to show you step by step how we're going to put them in. One of the things I really love about these fans in particular is that they've got a remote, which is really handy, but they've also got a mobile app, so you can change the speed on these, turn the lights on or off from wherever you are, as long as you've got your phone with you. And I know that sounds like it's a little silly. You probably don't need that for a ceiling fan and for a light, but let me tell you, if it's anything like our air control, we love having a mobile app that we can just turn that thing up and down from wherever we are, and you don't have to walk into that room. Or have the lights on and ready for you when you get home, or have the ceiling fan going and have those bugs blown away before you walk out onto the porch. It's actually really nice, and I think you're gonna love that. We are real excited about what's going on down here at the cottage. Our boys John and Heath have put up some fantastic railing and posts. Look at that work of art. Got some of our primer on. I went ahead and painted this ceiling because I'm going to install 2 ceiling fans today. There are my Dreo ceiling fans. I'll show you how easy this is going to be to install. We're so excited. We've got 2 Dreo ceiling fans that we're going to be installing today on this cottage porch. Got one going right here and then one another above us right here. So what do we need for this installation? Well, Dreo makes it very easy. It's just a simple 4-step installation, and all you need are Phillips screwdriver, voltage detector anytime you're working with electricity, some wire snips, and a ladder. We're going to put these in. All right, are you ready for your 4-step, easy, simple installation for the Dreo fan? You first slide the blade in through the body. Takes 3 screws to screw each down. Do that 4 times and your blades are attached. Next, it's a straightforward down row design, white to white wire, black to black wire, and ground to ground. Once you've got your wires all connected, it's just a slide to secure ceiling bracket. Then our 4th step, the pre-wired integrated light kit. Snaps in, rotates to lock, and you are ready to go. All right, you ready to give it a try? First one up, installed correctly. Let's see. Hey, we've got light. Let's try the fan. Oh, yes. Blow those mosquitoes out of here. All right, you can see both fans going, both lights working. They've got adjustments for all the lights, brighter and dimmer. You've got adjustments for your fan at the 6 different levels of speed. The best thing about Dreo is how smooth they are. Just look how smooth they flow. No noise, just smooth airflow. I love them. Pretty proud. Goes in, look how good they look. I'm really happy with these fans. And y'all, this cottage, I know it looks a mess right now, because we've got all kinds of tools and half painted, half primed. But it is gonna be so cute when we are done.